This is another study that we're presenting here at GU ASCO. We looked at all of the kidney cancer patients that were treated with standard immunotherapy, immune checkpoint inhibitors at Duke. So that was mostly nivolumab in that second-line setting, and took their archival tissues that were in the pathology banks and sequenced and saw what correlates in terms of genomic mutations were correlating with immunotherapy responses. And so what we found was that patients who have mutations in DNA damage repair genes tended to have more responses to immunotherapy checkpoint inhibitors, and that's very interesting data that also we've seen in other studies where DNA damage gene mutations are linked with immunotherapy responses, and so it's another validation of that data, and potentially suggests combinations of treatment options that might pair with immunotherapies like PARP inhibitors that really target the DNA damage pathway.